How do I set up and access the voicemail app on my Samsung device?
Hello Samsung users. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up and accessing your voicemail on your Samsung device. This is a must-know process for any smartphone user as it ensures you never miss an important message.
What is voicemail?
Voicemail is a system that records messages from callers when you're unable to answer your phone. It is a standard feature on most smartphones, including all Samsung devices. It's like an answering machine, but it's hosted by your cellular service provider rather than your physical phone.
How to set up voicemail?
Let's jump straight into setting up your voicemail. 1. Open the phone app on your Samsung device. You'll usually find this at the bottom of your home screen. 2. Press and hold the 1 key on the dial pad. This should automatically connect you to your voicemail service. If not, try calling your own number to reach voicemail. 3. If this is your first time accessing voicemail, you'll likely hear prompts to set up your voicemail box. This typically involves choosing a language, setting a voicemail password for privacy, and recording a personal greeting that callers will hear. Remember, it's important to choose a password you can remember, but it should also be difficult for others to guess.
How to access your voicemail?
After setting up, here's how you can listen to your voicemails. 1. Again, open the phone app on your Samsung device. 2. Press and hold the 1 key on the dial pad, just like when you set up voicemail. This should connect you to your voicemail service. 3. Enter your password if prompted, and you'll be able to hear your new voicemail messages. For visual voicemail, which lets you see your voicemail messages in a list like you would see emails, not available on all devices or carriers. 1. Open the phone app. 2. Tap on the voicemail tab. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. 3. Here, you can see all your voicemail messages and tap on any message to play it. Please note, visual voicemail might require a separate data plan or subscription depending on your service provider. And there you have it. You now know how to set up and access your voicemail on your Samsung device. Remember, staying connected is crucial in today's world, and setting up your voicemail is one of the best ways to ensure you never miss important communications. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy communicating!